Hello, I welcome everyone in Math Simplified by HM channel. I am thrilled you are here on this journey to conquer one of algebra's foundational superpowers, simultaneous linear equations. Whether you are student preparing for exams, parent helping with homework, or just math curious, this session breaks it down step by step with clear visuals, real world examples, and powerful problem solving techniques. While you may already be familiar with basic solving methods like substitution, elimination, graphical, determinant method, today we are going to level up. We will explore special shortcuts for solving complex equations without doing tedious arithmetic. Then we will tackle real world high order thinking skills problems, especially the basic boat traveling upstream and downstream. By the end of this session, you will know how to transfer complicated non-collinear problems into simple linear equations and solve them with confidence. Let us get started. Welcome today's lesson. Today we are moving beyond the basic to look at special cases and real world applications of simultaneous equations. Please grab a notebook, pause when needed, and let us dive in. While mastering simultaneous equations, please note no mess rule. Notice, organize, make, equal, eliminate, substitute, and then solve. Look closely at the coefficients in these two equations. 15x plus 17y is equal to 21, 17x plus 15y is equal to 11. The coefficients of x and y are swapped. If we use the in a standard elimination method, we would have to multiply the first equation by 17 and the second equation by 15. That means multiplying large numbers, which takes time and leads to mistakes. Instead, we use a special shortcut, the add subtract add method. First, we add both equations straight down. Look at what happens here. 15x plus 17x gives 32x, 17y plus 15y gets 32y, 21 plus 11 gets 32. This is a simple equation. 32x plus 32y is equal to 32. Divide by 32, we get x plus y is equal to 1. Now we subtract the equations. For that purpose, flip the equations of second equations. So 17x becomes minus 17x, 15y becomes minus 15y, and 11 becomes minus 11. On subtracting, we get 15 minus 17x minus 2x, 17y minus 15y gives plus 2y, 21 minus 11 gives 10. Thus, we get this equation minus 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Divide both sides by 2. Minus x plus y is equal to 5. Name this equation as 4. Now, solve this equation 3 and 4 for xy. These are very simple equations. By adding, we eliminate x easily. So, x plus y is equal to 1. Minus x plus y is equal to 5. Adding, we get 2y is equal to 6. Simplifying, we get y is equal to 3. Now substitute this y is equal to 3 in equation 3. X plus y is equal to 1. We get x plus 3 is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 minus 3. Simplifying, get x is equal to minus 2. So the solution is minus 2, 3. Now we move to our real world problem. The best one is the boat problem. Let us consider the example. A boat travels 16 km upstream and 24 km downstream in 6 hours. Another condition, the same boat travels 36 km upstream and 48 km downstream in 13 hours. Here we have to goal find the speed of boat X and current Y. So understood the physics here first of river travel. While we are moving downstream, water current helps or increases our speed, so speed becomes x plus y. While moving to upstream, river stream speed opposes our speed and our speed becomes x minus y. We know that time is equal to distance upon speed. So we are going to use this formula to form or to transform this problem into linear simultaneous equations. Here we have taken x as a boat speed and y as a current speed. Formulating the equations, the first condition said that 16 km up and 24 km down takes the time 6 hours. So distance upon speed gives time, distance upon speed gives times, and this is a 6 hour. So 16 upon x minus y plus 24 upon x plus y is equal to 6. According to first condition, we get this first equation. According to second condition, 36 upon x minus y plus 48 upon x plus y is equal to 30. So we get these two equations, but these equations are not in linear form. So we transform this equation into linear form by a substitution strategy. Let 1 upon x minus y is equal to m and let 1 upon x plus y is equal to n. Putting this, we get 16m plus 24n is equal to 6 as third equation. 36m plus 48n is equal to 13 as a fourth equation. Now we can solve for m and n using elimination method as n's coefficients are in multiple of 2. Solving for m and n, multiply equation 3 by 2. Subtract 5 from 4. 32m plus 48n is equal to 12, equation 5. 36m plus 48n is equal to 13 is our another equation. For subtracting, we flip sign of each term. 32m is minus, plus 48n as a minus 48n, 12 as a minus 12. Subtracting, we get 36m minus 32m as a 4m, 48n minus 48n vanishes. 13 minus 12 gives 1. So on simplifying, we get m is equal to 1 upon 4. Now substitute this m is equal to 1 upon 4 in equation 3. We get 16 into bracket 1 upon 4 plus 24n is equal to 6. Simplifying, we get 4 plus 24n is equal to 6. Again simplifying, we get 24n is equal to 2. Further simplifying, we get 1 upon 12. Now don't stop here. We have to find the values for x and y. So now we will equate these values to x and y. We have m is equal to 1 upon x minus y, which is equal to 1 upon 4. This gives us a simple equation, x minus y is equal to 4. Let us name it as 6. Another, n is equal to 1 upon x plus y, and we have find n as 1 upon 12. So we get equation 1 upon x plus y is equal to 1 upon 12. This gives the equation x plus y is equal to 12. So name it as a 7. We have a simple linear system again. We can easily eliminate y by adding these equations. So adding, we get 2x is equal to 16 gives x is equal to 8. Putting x is equal to 8 in equation x plus y is equal to 12, we get 8 plus y is equal to 12, which gives y is equal to 4. So speed of boat is 8 km per hour and speed of current is 4 km per hour. Now see the key ways. Swapped coefficients. Equations like 15x plus 17y, 17x plus 15y. Observe carefully and use the strategy add once and subtract them once. Solve the two new simple equations by elimination or substitution methods. Now, when variables are in denominator, equations like 16 upon x minus y, use a substitution strategy. Let 1 upon term, here x minus y or x plus y. Let 1 upon term is equal to m, 1 upon another term is equal to n, then solve for m and n to find the x. Understood the common pitfalls. Sign errors. Watch out when subtracting negatives. Example, 5 minus 3y gives 8y and not 2y. Stopping early. Finding m and n is not the final answer. Whatever you have substituted, you should not stop there. You must find x and y. Please note the physics logic. Upstream speed cannot be greater than downstream speed. While calculating upstream speed, we subtract current speed from our boat speed, and while moving to downstream, we add current speed to our boat speed. Practice makes perfect, you know that. So try different examples, 4 to 5 examples for your mastery purpose. This is a challenge problem. 41x plus 53y is equal to 135. 53x plus 41y is equal to 147. Can you solve this in 2 minutes? Hint, add and then subtract. You will get two simple simultaneous equations. Then by elimination or substitution method, solve it easily. Again, we recap. No mess formula. No mess formula. N for notice, O for organize, M for make equal, E for eliminate, S for substitute, and S for solve. So for solving simultaneous equations, if you remember no mess, then you will be master on this and you have no chances to make any mistake. Also note that mathematics is not about numbers, equations, computations or algorithms. It is about understanding, and this is said by William Paul Thurston. So remembering this quote, you solve simultaneous equations again and again and make the practice. I request for this you to see this video 2 to 3 times and master each method. Thank you. I appeal you to share this video to your friends, subscribe my channel to get my new videos to you. Thank you again.